This is the VSKYLABS Firefly Delta Dart concept aircraft. Powered by two valveless pulse jet engines, which produce 400 pounds of thrust each, it cruises the sky in low subsonic speeds, utilizing one of the most simplest jet propulsion device ever designed. Its double delta, low aspect ratio wings and lightweight platform, makes the Firefly Delta Dart a perfect testbed for handling and stability aspects of a lightweight, small-sized aircraft. With internal and external fuel load of up to 800 pounds, its operational range exceeds to 700 miles at cruise speed of 170 knots. Another unique feature of the Firefly Delta Dart aircraft is the retractable landing gear's aerodynamic portable tank, which is attached to its fuselage. The landing gears are electrically operated. Up to these days, besides using small valveless pulse jet engines in small-sized UAVs and experimental go-karts, no actual use in full-scale aircraft has been recorded. Although this kind of propulsion is thrust-limited, the idea of using it as a lightweight aircraft propulsion device got me trying to visualize it as a part of an actual aircraft. It's a concept aircraft, with a unique presence. The VSKYLABS Firefly Delta Dart. Your next pulse jet experimental aircraft on X-Plane Flight Simulator.